welcome back to my channel. Intellectual Hands here. We're doing wrap twists today. You guys been requesting this for like at least a month or so now. Okay, so here it is. Let's get into it. Let's start with the 3-leg method. The reason why I chose to do this is for the longevity of the twist. I've always had an issue with my twist lasting and coming unraveled. So when I started doing this method, I found that it was a lot easier for me to wrap the roots and for it to last longer if I started off with the 3-leg method. However, here you see me continuing my knotless method so that I'm able to begin wrapping the roots. So I think I added about maybe 3 pieces of hair. I'm not sure, but I just kept going like as if I was doing a knotless. So I got to this point here. Take that little piece, borrow it from one of the legs, and that's what you're going to use to start wrapping. You're going to wrap at the roots. Then you're going to come downward. So you're going to wrap about 5 times, as you can see here. And you're going to keep going until you cover the entire braid. Until you pretty much run out of a knotless. Then you are going to split that into 2. Grab some more hair at this point, about half the size. This is to keep it uniform and to lock that the wrapped part up at the top so it doesn't hang down. The 2 twists to my left, I did that, and I'll upload those videos just so you guys can see the errors that I made and what happens when you don't properly add the hair to make it uniformed. So with that being said, I've gotten to the point to where I am pretty much finishing a twist. You want to keep consistency with the ropes, because other than that it'll just look like a 2-strand twist, and that's not really pleasant for this look. The idea is for it to be more so of the rope look, and then it also lasts longer too. So I finished all the way down to the bottom so you guys can continue to watch. And here's the finished result. I'm glad that you guys have visited today. Drop some comments in the comments below. Let me know if this is something that you guys like, even some suggestions. If you guys are watching, follow, subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Bye guys.